Now students, here brain booster problems. In the brain booster problem, the first question is put greater than or less than or equal to sign. Here the first 800 ml and 1 liter. So 800 ml is always less than 1 liter. So why? In 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml, 1000 milliliters. So that is why 800 milliliters is always less than 1000 milliliters. Okay. So milliliters are always less than the liters. 6 liters, 3 liters. 6 and 3 means 6 is a bigger. 6 liters is greater than 3 liters, 3 milliliters. In your textbook here it is given milliliters, you make it as liters here. Okay. Now 400 milliliters, 1 liter. Milliliter is always less than liter. Okay. 400 milliliters is less than 1 liter. Okay. So these are the symbols greater than and less than. Here the second, how much should we add to make 1 liter? Already we know 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. So here 800 milliliters, to make 1000 milliliters, more 200 milliliters we have to add. 800 plus 200, that is 1000 liters. 1000 milliliters, that is equal to 1 liter. Here 700 milliliters given. So then how much we should add to make 1 liter? That is 300 milliliters. 700 plus 300, 1000. It will equal to 1000 ml. That is 1 liter. Now here 650. For this 650 more, how much to add to make 1000 milliliters? That is 350 milliliters. If you add 350 milliliters to this 650 milliliters, the total is 1000 milliliters. That is 1 liter. Here also for 475, how much we have to add to make 1000 milliliters? That is, if you add 525 milliliters, then the sum is 1000 milliliters, that is equal to 1 liter. Okay. Now convert the following in liters into milliliters, meters into milliliters into liters. See here, 4 liters is equal to 4 into 1000, 4000 milliliters. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters, then 4 liters is equal to 4000 milliliters. Here 3350 means this is ones, tens, 100 and 1000. This 1000 is a liter, 3 liters, and the remaining are milliliters, 350 milliliters. Here 2 liters means 2000, 2015 milliliters. Now, in the fourth question, convert the following into milliliters. 8 liters is equal to 8000 milliliters. 1 liter is equal to 1000, then 8 liters is equal to 8000. Then 12 liters and 15 milliliters. 12 liters is equal to 1200, 1215 milliliters. 28 liters 40 means 28,040 milliliters. 28,040 milliliters. Okay. Now 7 liters. Liters we have to convert into liters and milliliters. Here in thousands place, this is ones place, tens, 100 and 1000. In this thousands place is liters, 7 liters. And in other places zeros, no need to write milliliters. No need to write milliliters. Milliliters. Okay. 7 liters. 7. Now here this is ones, tens, 100 and 1000. In thousands place 6 is given. That means 6 liters. And 085 means 85 milliliters. Now ones, tens, 100 and 1000. In 1009 we have 9 liters, the remaining milliliters 070 means 70. This is the conversion. Okay. Now arrange in columns and find the difference. Here we have to find the difference. First 75 liters given, 63 liters, 602 milliliters. First in columns we have to arrange liters, milliliters. 75 liters, there is no milliliters means 000. Then second 63 liters, 602 milliliters. Now find the difference. Difference we have to find. 0, 0, 0 means we have to take borrow from here. If you take borrow from here, it will get 4, here you will get 10. If you take again borrow, you will get 9 here, you will get 10 here. Again borrow from here, you will get 9 here, you will get 10. 10 minus 2 means from 3 to 10 we have to count. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is 8. 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 6 means 7 to 9 we have to count. 7, 8, 9. It is 3. 398 milliliters. Now liters part. 4 minus 3 consecutive numbers difference is 1. 7 minus 6 consecutive numbers difference is 1. 11 liters 398 milliliters. Now the second one, this is first quantity, this is second quantity. First you arrange in columns, liters and milliliters. First 16 liters 112 milliliters. Then second quantity 12 liters 204 milliliters. Now difference we have to find. So take borrow from here, you will get 0 here, here you will get 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. 0 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 2 we cannot minus. So take borrow from here, you will get 5 here and here you will get 11. 11 minus 2, 9. Then 5 minus 2, 3. 1 minus 1, 0, no need. That is 3 liters, 908 milliliters. This is the difference. Now here, addition. So here we have to add. Add is given. So first we have to arrange in columns. Liters, milliliters. In the first one, 18 liters, 369 milliliters. Next, 36 liters, 25 milliliters, 0 to 5. 25 milliliters. Then plus. 9 plus 5, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 means 4 in 1's place of milliliters. 1 you have to take carry over on 10's place of milliliters. 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 2, 8, 9. And 3 plus 0, 3. 394 milliliters. Now 8 plus 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14, 4 in 1's place of a liter and 1. We have to take carry over on 10's place of a liter. 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. 54 liters, 394 milliliters. Now the next one, arrange in columns. Liter, milliliter. The first is 23 liters, 125 milliliters. Now 13 liters, 135 milliliters. Now add. Now 1's place of a milliliter, 5 plus 5, 10. 10 means 0 in 1's place, 1 you have to take carry over on 10's place. 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. 1 plus 1, 2. 260 milliliters. 3 plus 3, 6. 2 plus 1, 3. 36 liters, 260 milliliters. Okay. So in this way, first we have to arrange in columns and add. Now see here students, in the word problem, Neha bought 2 cans of milk of volume. First can volume is given 2 liters 15 milliliters. Second can volume is given 3 liters 25 milliliters. Find the total volume of milk she purchased from the shop. 2 cans she purchased. Okay. So total he is asking means we have to add. We have to add. First solution. First can volume, that is 2 liters. 15 milliliters means 015 milliliters. This is liters, this is milliliters. Second can volume, that is 3 liters 25 milliliters, 025, that is 25 milliliters. Then, so what is our requirement? Total volume of milk, total total volume of milk is equal to, add milliliters, extreme right digit once, that is ones place, 5 plus 5 10, 10 means 0 in ones place, 1 we have to take carry over on tens place of a milliliter, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 0, then after that liters, 3 plus 2 5, 5 liters 40 milliliters. So, this is our total volume of milk, 2 cans volume, what she bought, what she purchased. Okay. Now, in the second question, a drum contains 8 liters 500 milliliters of water, a man 5 liters added 5 liters more. So, this much extra he added. So, then how much water is present in the drum? So, already how much water is there? So, this much water is there and more 5 liters added. So, then total how much water is there? Means we have to add, before how much is there, now how much added. So, then you will get total, so the volume of water in the drum. So, drum contains water. How much water it contains? 8 liters 500 milliliters. This is liters, this is more water added, more water added. How much more water is added? 5 liters. 5 liters 0 0 0 milliliters. Then total water present. Total water present. How much? Means we have to add, not subtraction, addition. Now 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0, 5 plus 0 5, 8 plus 5 8, 9 10 11 12 13. 13 liters 500 milliliters. This much water is having in that drum. Okay. Now, see here students, now in enrichment activity. So, here he has given 3 activities. The first activity based on length, the second activity based on weight, the third activity based on volume, See, first in these 2 activity, these are the general activities you do by yourself. Okay. So, what is there in the first activity? In the first activity, so you should find the heights of your family members and also your friends, and so make a tabular form like this. So, this a tabular form, make tabular form like this, prepare a tabular form. So, like this. So, here serial number, name of the family member, then height is in meters as well as in centimeters. This is the height, this is the, okay. So, family member 1, family member 2, family member 3, family member 4. So, 0 1, 0 2, 0 3, 0 4, 0 5. So, prepare your table like this, and in that tabular form, so write your family member names 1 2 3 4 5. So, if in your family 5 members are there, then make 5 columns, and also your friends names also add here and find their height. So, how many meters and how many centimeters they have. So, suppose your friend height is 1 meter and 5 centimeters, write like this 1 and 0 5, one of your friends, so and so name, and so and second friend name, third friend name, fourth friend name, fifth friend name. So, calculate their height and write in your tabular form, write in your tabular form. Okay. For your family, see in your family also measure, so your family members height, and so write in the tabular form. Okay. Write in your tabular form. So, in this activity, so whatever the heights after calculating, after measuring, so you should arrange the heights in descending order only. In your activity, descending order is only given. So, you should write in descending order. Okay. After after measuring the heights of your family members or your friends. Okay. And after that in activity 2, so weight. So first again you make a tabular form like this, and after that names and everything is same, 1, 2, 3, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, here serial number, name, here weight, kilograms and grams. So 01, 02, 03, 04, 05. Okay. So first you measure the weight of your family members. So and write your kgs and grams. So and so weights. So after finding weights of your family members or your friends, so then arrange them in ascending order. So these weights you should arrange in ascending order. Okay. So these heights you should arrange in descending order. Okay. So this is your activity, do by yourself. So in the third activity, this is also a general activity. So what is this activity main aim? So take a small notebook. So in that notebook, so whatever you are going to purchase the liquids in the next week, so that all the things you have to write in your notebook. So see backside, that is there, the quantity of a liquid, liters, milliliters is given. So liters, so in a oil pack, so liters given. So how many liters of oil you need for 1 week, and how many liters of milk you need for 1 week, and other liquids also. So everything is mentioned on backside of your packets. And so what about the difference between liters and milliliters? Some liquids we are using more and some liquids we are using less. So what liquids we are using more and what liquids we are using less? The more means we are representing in liters. The less liquids we are representing in milliliters. Okay. So some of a liquids like cough syrup, so that we are using in a little quantity, so that is in milliliters. That syrup is in milliliters. And oils, so the oil whatever we are using, so that is in liters. In 1 week at least we are using 2 liters, 3 liters of oil, so that is in liters. So more liquids, so that means that we represent in liters, and less quantity of liquid, that means that represent in liters. So when you note all these liquids names according to the names and the quantity, then you should differentiate yourself what is the difference between liters and milliliters. Liters are more or milliliters are more, which quantity is more, so that you know better. So if you mention so each and every liquids what you are using in your daily life and compare with other liquids, and you should know better so liters and milliliters difference. Okay.